ground flow valve. This is on when it's in this position, and this is off. On. This other valve is for water. When we need to flush the line with clean water, or the guy operating the machine need clean water to the line, we can use this valve. And all the water go to the pump, and we can pump it to the machine. This is the liter meter. It doesn't show gallons, but it shows liters. And this is the valve, control the liters, and we can open it and start marking the liters. When we have 80 liters, we can add 4 bags.
20 liters per bag.
20 liters per bag, average. Okay, can go there. And all the water goes to the mixer. This is the mixer. This one is the agitator, and the last one is the pump. It's pretty much simple, on and off, on and off, on and off. This two here is for the pressure, and this is for the flow. This is kind of tricky because most of the guys confuse this part. The pressure, if you want to add more pressure, you got to go in. Less pressure, out. The flow,
More pressure.
more pressure,
clockwise.
yes,
Less pressure.
counterclockwise. The flow works like a regular valve. More flow, counterclock. Less flow, clockwise. Pump, all hydraulic operated. This is the outside valve. We mostly use it only once in the time when we have the right elevation. But when we are working down the hill, we need to close this valve every time when we stop grouting or flushing with water. Because the other way, the gravity keep taking the grout or the water down there. Right here, hydraulic oil, fuel, diesel fuel. On and off. This is the kill switch. Every time at the end of the shift, need to take this out, or you want to leave it, it can be right next. On, on. Waiting for the glow plugs work. When this light off, we can start it. This is the throttle control. You can go to your RPMs here. 1800 for light duty. Start adding cement. This is the mixer. You can start putting the cement back. One at a time. Most of the time the fourth one needs to be really slow pour for the right mix. And you need to recirculate. Right here in the middle, we are recirculating the ground. We have a dry mix. Once we mix it, we start dump into the agitator and we turn on the agitator. This is the pump line. This is on. And we start pumping. You can control your flow, adding more flow, or less flow. At nothing, at zero. More flow, control the pressure. More pressure all the way in, clockwise. Less pressure all the way out, and we can go as well at zero, no pressure. This is the contamination device to filter the grout. And this one works pretty good instead the Overman, because we don't need to worry about any contamination in the agitator. And when we are pumping, we have a nice and clean grout.
Go ahead.
Once we complete the grout injection, we basically start the cleanup. And we will start removing the hopper and brushing all inside the mixer. And as well, we need to remove the bottom hose down here and flush it. Need to be nice and clean. If we need to, we can put on and off the mixer motor to be sure everything is clean. We can put more water and flush it, and we need to flush the line every time we need. Then we need to go back to here, disconnect the bottom hose and the agitator, and this line in the pump. As well with the mixer, we need the agitator clean out and brush it really, really well, especially the bottom place.
Go ahead.
At the end of every shift, we need to disconnect the other side of the piston pump and flush the water all the way through. You can see all the way here, and you can see all the way through. Now you are sure it's clean. You can see the other side. Most of the time, the grout residues is still all the way in the bottom. So we need to be sure this one is clean. As well, if we have like a 1 week or more using it inside, it's better idea disassemble it from here and disconnect those two ends and flush it. And we are sure we have a nice and clean pump. Closed, we are still having some water trapped in the system. Any of the lines can be trap water and be froze over the night. Any of them can be that. So need to be not totally open, not totally closed. This is the only way we can keep it safe. To protect this line in freeze weather, all the water line need to be flush. All the water need to be in the middle. All of them need to be not totally open, not totally closed, because the water can be entrapped in the ball valve. So all the lines, water line need to be drained, really nice, well drained, because the other way we will refreeze the next morning.